Hello and welcome to Svalboard, a Datahand keyboard for the modern era. It brings 50 perfectly light, perfectly tactile magnetic keys right to your fingertips. On top of that, it includes a fitment mechanism that allows it to adapt to any adult hand with millimeter precision, actually sub-millimeter precision. You can slide any of the cluster towers north, south, east, west, and let them yaw in order to get the keys in just the right position for you. Additionally, the palm rest size can be changed. The palm rest can be formed to fit your anatomy specifically just by dipping them in very hot water and forming them against your hand. And they slide north and south, east and west, and yaw, as well as being height adjustable so that you can get the perfect fit. The thumb clusters map 5 different keys to different parts of the thumb: nail, knuckle, down, pad, and up, so that you're never lost, never confused, and you never have to come out of your home row position. Svalboard also includes integrated pointing. This is something Datahand never did. It just had a terrible key mouse. Svalboard, you can have trackball, track point, and soon touchpad, and they're right there, right at your fingertips all the time. There's no need to move your arm over here to grab the mouse 1,000 times a day and hurt your shoulders doing so. So when I want a mouse, I can simply come with my fingertips right here. I can hit it with the phalanges of my fingers, and when I have a scroll ball on the left like this, I can scroll right here and be right back on the home row. This is incredibly valuable when you're doing CAD work, when you're doing other mousing intensive stuff, or if you're just browsing the internet and you want to scroll effortlessly without having to move your hand to the mouse and back. I'm so happy to be building this product. I am so thankful to the community of people on the Svalboard Discord, svalboard.com/Discord. Come check it out. There's 700 of us there. Lots of people using devices, lots of people building and hacking on devices. And I really look forward to continuing to build this product and developing it with the input of that community, and hopefully yours as well. Stay tuned for more in-depth videos on the functionality of the system, and I'll see you around.